Across the curriculum, 7F. Exercise 1, page 84. Exercise 2, page 84. Exercise 3A, page 84.
The 4 elements of music. Everyone loves music. But have you ever thought how many elements there are in a piece of music? The answer is just 4. Melody, harmony, rhythm, and dynamics. Let's take a closer look at them. Melody. This is the tune which we hear when we listen to a piece of music. The melody is made up of single tones or pitches, played one after the other. When we talk about the tone or pitch of a sound, we mean how high or low it is. Harmony. There are a lot of different notes and chords. Harmony is how they sound when they are played at the same time. Even if you don't know much about music, you'll know when a song isn't in harmony because it will sound terrible. Rhythm. This means musical time. Rhythm helps to organize music by dividing it into small sections between each strong beat. There are a few different patterns, such as every 2, 3, or 4 beats. We can play music at different speeds, too. We call the speed of music the tempo. Dynamics. These tell the musicians how to play a piece of music. Some parts are quiet, while others are loud. There aren't any rules for writing music, but musicians always think of these 4 elements when they do so. They put them all together to make what we know simply as a song.